We are inside a model, inside a 3D model on screen here. And there's a purpose for this. If you don't know, 65square is our new social media app coming soon, coming this year sometime. Hopefully, we will have a release date in the next month or two. But what we're looking at here on screen is a 3D model that will be used inside 65square. And what is a 3D model? It's basically a 3D object that you can use in digital space. Can you guess what kind of model we are inside right now? Which kind of, what is the object? What is the 3D object that we are currently inside? I am going to give a guess to, I'm going to give a prize to someone who can guess correctly in the live chat right now. And that is going to expire in 2019. So why is this important? Why is it that we are going to have 3D models inside 65square? Well, even though we are building a 3D space, this is going to be a space that you access on your mobile device. And the environment, you could think of this as similar to Google Street View meets Facebook. If Google Street View and Facebook had a baby, what might it look like? This is what part of the system will look like. All right, no more guesses. Prize is now expired. No correct answers in the chat. Hopefully the chat is turned on. So this is the 3D model that we are. So do we have a guess here? Another guess here? What are we looking at? Looks like a pair of eyes, maybe. Maybe. Looks like an evil person wearing a mask. Kind of looks like Moon Knight. All right, this is not Moon Knight. This is a mannequin. Oh, let's try and rotate this mannequin upward. This is a mannequin of a mannequin wearing a pair of jeans and a sports bra. So why is this important? It's important because as a business owner, you're going to be able to have access to tools like this inside 65square. And how is that? You are going to be able to take a picture of the front and back of this sports bra in your store collection of goods and retail clothing items, a regular store that you would know and love and see inside any mall across the world. You would be able to take just 2 images to input your own bra onto this 3D model, onto this 3D pair of pants. And why is this remarkable? Because you won't need a 3D artist to do this. If a business owner were to go and try and develop their own app with augmented reality, which is where these models are going to be used, these models, these 3D items are going to be selectable in retail stores inside 65 Square. And if a business owner wanted to have access to this, they could have access to this right away. Remarkable stuff that we are doing with 65 Square. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. The augmented reality stuff that we are working on right now. And this, imagine going shopping for virtual clothes like this, virtual, but real clothes, and being able to try them on in a virtual try-on change room, if you will. If you were to use these, that would be remarkable. Because right now, how do we use augmented reality? We use it for silly faces on people's faces. We use it for, doing entertaining stuff on TikTok or Snapchat or anywhere else that uses augmented reality. We are giving these tools to business owners to use right away. When we launch, these tools will be available. Again, not having a 3D artist on hand. That's not what you're going to need. You're going to need to have a camera, which everyone has on their phone. So the business owner takes a photo of the front of this bra and jeans, and then they take a picture of the back, and then 65 Square does the rest. We essentially glue those pictures onto, I'm simplifying the process, but we essentially glue those onto the 3D model. And what is super impressive about this from the user's perspective is that you will be able to go and watch your friends try on outfits if you wish. You can go and shop virtually with friends that are halfway around the world if you wanted to. We're not talking about just going on Amazon to kind of look at stuff. We're talking about actually having an experience of virtual shopping. This is not something that is 5 years away like the metaverse. This is coming this year to 65 Square. And this is why you need to get on our draw for free 65 Square for a year. Monthly draws happening right now until we launch 65 Square. Go to 65square.com right now to enter to win. The draw for May will take place in June. And this month's winner for 65 Square service for a year is William B. This is a 30-year-old person from Little Rock, Arkansas in the United States. Congratulations, William. We will be reaching out to you to give you further information about this in the coming days. If you have questions, put them in the comment section below. Exciting stuff. Make sure you're following the 65 Square socials and Defend socials, and we will see you next time.